Powerful recipe for a liver cleansing drink with onion, lemon, and garlic. Ingredients: 1 onion, thinly sliced. 1 lemon, sliced. 4 cloves of garlic, minced. 4 cups of water. Instructions: in a large pot, bring 4 cups of water to a boil. Add the sliced onion, lemon, and minced garlic to the boiling water. Reduce the heat to low and let the mixture simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. Remove the pot from the heat and let it cool for a few minutes. Strain the mixture and discard the solids. Drink the resulting liquid throughout the day, preferably on an empty stomach. Onion, lemon, and garlic all contain compounds that are believed to support liver health, including antioxidants and sulfur-containing compounds. However, it's important to note that there is limited scientific evidence supporting the effectiveness of this specific remedy for liver cleansing. If you have any concerns about your liver health, it's best to speak with a healthcare professional for guidance.